Hi friends, how are you? Hope so you and your birds will be fine. The most common question for the raw parrot or alexandrine baby parrot birds is that what should we do when they are on hand feed? We can give them boiled corn, boil in a bubbling hot water until ripen or tender. After that, put it in the parrot pot and present to the baby parrot. Baby parrot will eat gradually. In the start, they will not in the habit to eat, but day by day, they will use to it. This is the best food to give to the baby parrot. Thank you very much for watching.